All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just getting started here on our hike with a buddy of mine. This is Corey.
Hey guys.
So we're here along the Tule River. We got about a quarter-mile hike in on this road, and then we're gonna get started on the trail. Probably 2 or 3 hours on the trail. Once we do that, we're gonna set up camp and then see if we start pulling some trout out of this stream down here. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we're just getting started on the trail. Already got our first little guest. All right, little Sally the salamander, or whatever you want to call him or her. Just getting over there, getting a nice little moist area under this rock. So we'll leave him be. We're gonna continue on up this mountain. Hey Corey, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but he's got some really interesting trekking poles here. So
Left my trekking poles behind.
On purpose?
Yeah, on purpose. There's always resources in the forest though. So found a couple of sticks here, trimmed them down a little bit. Still got some work to do on this knot here. It's kind of digging into the wrist. But other than that, they're working pretty sturdy. Biggest disadvantage I was just talking about was, you'll notice over here, they usually have these grips or these loops on it. And it allows you to kind of relax your wrist on it, your hands on it, without gripping the sticks too much. But they're making do. Might do some work while we sit around a campfire and shimmy up some loops with our paracord, and that way the trek out will be easy.
Done deal. So moral of that story is when you're packing up in the morning, don't leave your trekking poles leaned up against your workbench.
When you stare at them and go, I think I got everything too.
Yeah. But the forest provides, and we trek on. All right, so probably about a mile in now, 3/4 of a mile to a mile. So you see the trail, it's rising steady. It's not too hard, but we were talking the last 15 years, we've done this trail. This is our 5th time. And we've done it to where it's nice and clear just like this. And then a crazy snowstorm comes in and dumps 6 feet of snow. We've done it where it's been raining the entire time and cold. We've done it, what was the other one we did? Combination of that?
Combination. We tried to go up farther up on the trail.
Yeah, we tried to go into a trail and get into the 7,000 foot mark and too much snow on the ground. Then another year we went a different direction on this trail. Made it in, but the fishing wasn't very good. Last year we got snowed out with no snowshoes. So this is the first year I think that we're actually gonna go all the way in, have decent weather the whole time. We should have some really good fishing. So can't beat the scenery. We're getting out of the oak trees, getting into some of the pine trees here. So it's beautiful. Weather's nice. It beats working. So I don't know if you can actually tell, but we're just stopped here looking at the snowpack for this winter, and it should be right about here even with us. And the snow base, or the base of the snow line should be right about here even with the bottom of these foothills. But it's way up there. That's probably 7,000 or 8,000 feet, and there's just not very much of it. So it just goes to show you how you be out of a drought one year and all of a sudden you're in a drought the next. The river's flowing, but it's not going to be a lot flowing at the end of July when we really need it. So hopefully we get some late snows coming in here. We might be in trouble again.
Okay.
Yeah, like if you could document like however many miles, maybe you come up with an exchange system. Like I cleaned up, you know, 10 miles worth of trail.
Yeah.
Maybe that gives you like $10 off your fishing license or something, or $10 off your national parks pass or something like that.
Right.
I think people would do it.
I think you get more people out in the outdoors.
Yeah, or even kids, man. That could be,
Or something,
yeah, minimum wage system.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Or
like great high school community service.
oh yeah, or what if there was like a scholarship where kids could earn money for college
Dude,
for cleaning up trails?
dude, they got scholarship for everything.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. An
So
scholarship,
yeah, you come in, you clean up so many trails, and it knocks off or it gives you a scholarship for certain programs, environmental science, forestry service. So, I guess without snow, you know, and all that different stuff, you know, bad weather and stuff like that along the way, we're pulling into camp about an hour early. So, you can see here, it's nice, deep pools, fish in, clear water. So, just got to get up here now and get into camp. Let's see if it's changed much. We've noticed when we were hiking in that there's quite a few, you know, movements, mass movements of the earth, whatever you want to call those, landslide, mudslide. It's changed things up a little bit. Some of these places have been rerouted, but you can see camp is still here. So if I don't fall down right here, this is where we're gonna set up our tent. Hey, we might even set up our tent over here. All right.
Yeah.
Got our fire pit.
Looks like people have been here.
Yeah.
Building it up.
Burning trash. That's not good. Hey, we got some tent stakes. Seems like every time we go somewhere, I find some tent stakes. All right. Well, I'll take my pack off, and then we'll start setting up. So, those of you at home that are wondering what kind of tent goes up in less than 5 minutes, this is the REI Half Dome 2. I don't know how many seasons I have on this thing, at least 10. And it's still in great shape. So it's got a nice little vestibule built in on both sides. It's got dual side entry, so it doesn't get all weird when Corey's got to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and doesn't have to crawl over me or anything. So we're gonna finish setting up camp. So this is gonna be where we're gonna be doing all of our cooking and everything like that. We've got to establish a place to hang our food, which is probably gonna be this overhang right here. You can see that it's about 20 feet off the ground, so we'll toss a line over, hang our food from here, and then we'll hit the stream, see what we can pull out of there. It's about lunchtime and we didn't bring any lunch, so we're gonna get something out of here. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. All right, well, we're here. Camp's almost set up. Just getting the last, this is what you guys missed out on, was getting the sleeping bags and air mattresses put in. So we got that all set up. So we're gonna hang our food and then fetch some water, start fishing. So as for now, that's it on this video. Just want to thank you guys for tuning in this far. If you're still interested, check out the other videos that I've got going. Hanging food. We'll probably do one with filtering water. I don't know. Camp food. I don't know what I'm going to do on these. So leave it in the comments if you want to see anything. I'm going to record a lot. I might not put it all on here. But if there is something that you would like to see, just let me know. Leave it in the comments. And I'll try my best to get what you need. So for now, that's it, guys.